Hi, this screencast is going to show you a digital portfolio that I created recently. I have a Google Classroom called Mr. Talbot's Reading and Writing, and when my students went in here this past Tuesday, they created links to their digital portfolios. So prior to this, the creation of this document, each student had a Google document where they had links to all of the writing assignments they'd done for me in the first and so far in the second quarter. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to create a place where all students could go to see each other's writing, and where parents could see all the writing that we're doing, and where students could see each other's writing as well. So I created this document called 2019 Digital Portfolios. And basically what I did was I typed in all of my students' names and then the words digital portfolio link. And what I asked my students to do was to go to their digital portfolio, get a shareable link. So they copied this link here, and then I wanted them to make this public to everyone in the class. So they went to their digital portfolio, they highlighted this text, and they inserted the link. So now everyone in the class can come to this HyperDoc and see one another's writing and how their writing has progressed. And what each student has in their digital portfolio link is the assignments we've done so far this school year. There's usually 2 copies of everything. So when they get to the first copy, that's the one that I've given them feedback on or made comments on. And the second copy is the one that they've edited and made revisions on. So usually the second copy is the most recent copy. This is a good idea. I've done it in the past, but it's a nice way to help kids keep their writing organized instead of having them have to search through Google and scramble around to find everything. It also makes it easier for me to present their writing to their parents if need be.